Hey YouTube, we're going to do the disassembly and reassembly of the Ruger P95 9mm. Okay, here we go. We're going to make sure she's safe. Take the magazine out. Check the barrel. Everything's in. The P95 has a decocker. You just pull the lever down. It'll stop the hammer. Okay, to get started disassembly, you just pull the barrel back and lock it into position with that lever right there, even with the notch. You can look down. I don't know if you can see it too good up there, but right here there's a little piece and you flip it down. And when you flip it down, then you're ready. Let that loose, push through. From the other side, you pull this piece out, and then it comes completely out. Okay, now you're left from the frame to the barrel, the spring. You got your barrel. Now you're ready to clean everything you need to clean. Oil her down real good. Assembly is just a reverse. It's pretty simple. Put your barrel back in, screw it up. Here's your spring. Your spring's got a lever right here for this contact. It goes in very easy. Just push it in until it gets there. Your spring's back on. Now to put it back onto the frame, you just slide it back on. Get your piece that you had. Slide it back. You line it up. It's lined back up. Push it back. Piece right there, flip it back up. Like it. You can hit your decocker. Pull your hammer back down. Put the magazine back in. You're done. Not much to it. Thanks for watching.